It's 4:54 a.m. 4:54. That's a number that follows me around. I don't know why. Don't know if it's good luck or bad luck. Anyhow, it's 4:54 a.m. I'm gonna head out to do some more prairie dog control. Hopefully, I know you can't see me very well, but hopefully this so early enough where I might see a coyote or something. Brought my my one toy, the Ruger American Gen 2 6.5 Creed. With thermal on it. It's the only gun I own, so you know, why not? So I put a thermal on it. Anyhow, gonna go get some gas. Probably run to Maverick and grab a burrito. Alright. See you in a sec. I knew these were probably rabbits, but I didn't know what type of rabbit, and you don't shoot what you don't know, so. Another one. Oh. Huh. So what I'm missing today with is it's actually a Savage Axis 2 that I got at Walmart. Pretty accurate actually for the rifle's accurate. Of course I'm not, but I'm practicing. It's all kind of a pain on this tripod, but yeah, it's on an Outlier chassis, Vortex scope. The can is a shut up stick. So anyhow, let's see if we can find some more to miss. I can hear him chattering out there, laughing at me. All right. Switched over to the 17 HMR. It's the only gun I own, so you know, it's a Ruger American. Takes regular Ruger mags, which was a huge plus. And gotta get the camera on it and keep going. There's one little chatterbox out there that I really would like to get before I go. Ooh. Come on, get your ass. Okay, got that one finally. Another one over here. Miss that one.